For close round 22, we have to make a slip stitch like this from behind. Round 22 is finished. For round 23, we want to make back post single crochet behind of every single crochet in round 21. So we make chain 1 and the back post single crochet in every single crochet in round 21. Totally 156 single crochet into this round. 1, 2, and 3, we want to put a marker into second and third one for another round. I put a marker into second and third one for other rounds. Now continue. Back post single crochet in every single crochet into round 21. I come back here. For close round 23, we make a slip stitch into first single crochet, round 24, chain 1, a single crochet into first one, 3 chain, a single crochet into second one after this single crochet, 1, 2 into second one, 3 chain, a single crochet into second one after this single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, a single crochet into second one, 1, 2, and continue this pattern until we finish this round. And I come back here